Okay, I think I'm ready.
Nice. Come on, you can't laugh.
But it's the truth. It's the whole truth.
I'm ready. No, I'm cool. I'm ready. Okay. They taught me this trick to not mess up my makeup when I cry.
Is it recording right now? Yep. Do you just edit it out? Okay.
My name is Erin.
My name is Nicole.
I'm Monica,
I'm Bill.
I am Yasmin, and I'm a patient.
and my family and I are patients.
And I'm a patient.
I'm a patient.
And I'm a patient at Northside Christian Health Center. Thank you for joining us this evening. We brought together a group of our patients to share with you, the people who make all this possible, a part of their stories.
I've actually been a patient here since I was a baby.
Well, I was looking for a new doctor.
I've been a patient for 25 years.
I think I came here when I was a newborn baby.
I don't know.
For going on a year.
I came here years ago to work on a video project and immediately became a patient.
I came here because Dr. Warnberger had left the Westview location and he had founded the health center here on the north side.
I remember my first visit here as a new patient.
It was always welcoming and warm. I felt safe and comfortable.
Been here my whole life, so I think it's a pretty reliable place. They had openings. They're convenient. They're right around the corner. I've been coming here ever since. I'm a Northside local, and
I started to bring my children here because I loved the care that I received and I wanted the same for my kid.
I was involved in a car accident. I've been experiencing mental health issues since I was about 19.
The doctor asked me to have prayer after my first visit here, and that just really resonated with me.
I was in college and just experiencing a lot of anxiety and depression. After visiting the ER, I needed to have a follow-up hospital to attend.
I've never been judged here. You know, they've seen me at my worst. They've seen me at my best.
I've always come back here because it's been that safe place for me.
And I have not looked for another doctor since.
When I walked in up Northview Heights to that facility, it was nothing but warm and welcoming, and
they've been there the same. They have remained consistent. They have never changed.
I feel like I am seen as a person first.
It feels great to be around people who just understand you.
I remember thinking how much I wish I had known about this place in the days when I was uninsured.
Payment is never a deterring factor for someone to be seen.
There's times that I did not have insurance and they've never turned my child away.
So I just turned 26 and I am off of my parents' insurance plan, knowing that I can come to Northside Christian regardless of whether I have insurance or not. You have a state-of-the-art facility that you can get your dental done, you can get your EKG ran, and then anything else is very helpful and gives me peace of mind that I can still be seen.
I'm still receiving the same quality of care that I received with insurance.
Everyone is free to come here, meaning that they're welcomed with open arms. Whether you are insured, whether you are uninsured, it does not make a difference.
The model that they use allows me as a person with insurance.
With me being seen, I get to pull another person being seen with me
to do exactly what I would otherwise, and get quality care. But knowing that the money being made on it is going to help somebody else to get their own care.
That would make anyone feel great. Who wouldn't want to help the next person and pull the next person up?
Gives them the ability to help people like me.
It has a monumental effect on the community.
It means so much to know that the center is focused on the patients first.
They got it. They got a blueprint.
They've been doing this for 30 years.
This center is making a difference in our community.
They do so much for the residents here.
Helping me is actually helping me help my children.
I would describe the care here at Northside Christian Health Center as holistic.
I grew up with spirituality in my home and my family. It feels like I'm getting the same love and support that I would from a family member.
We all are equal. We all deserve dignity. We all deserve respect.
I believe that this is truly a Christian organization. They're serving the Lord. They're doing the Lord's work.
Regardless if you're a Christian or not, you're a person.
That looks like always being kind. That looks like seeing people when they don't have money. That looks like judge not lest ye be judged.
That's the most basic Christian principle of just not being judgmental and seeing all people as people first.
People are willing to accommodate your spiritual needs at a time and in a place where you physically just may not be well.
I, for one, appreciate that. I mean, every time I come in, I'm like, yes, can we pray? Because I want to pray.
To be sent out into the world with that positivity means a lot to me.
I don't know. I prayed for this for so long. It almost doesn't seem real.
I need God in every step of my life so that way I can always be reminded, always know.
I believe one of the most Christian things that you can do is care for everyone in the community, regardless of their status, regardless of their income, whether they're homeless or not. Everyone needs to be treated equally, and I believe that the Christian thing to do is to make sure that happens.
I've had, physical ailments as well as mental ailments that I've faced.
I've only been in the hospital when I've had babies. I have 3 children.
It's been a beautiful experience here. It's been a long and bumpy and hard road.
And I just came in for a follow-up, and she noticed something in me. It's like she paid attention enough to something that I don't even recognize, It was just my breathing, and she did some extra tests when, above and beyond for me.
And I actually checked myself into a psychiatric hospital. I wanted to continue to upkeep and work on any tools that could help me to heal myself. Northside Christian was my first choice of where to go to be seen for continuing my care.
I'm a recovering addict. I need to say that. I have 2 years clean. I did not have my children for 9 months. And those 9 months that I didn't have them, those were very crucial years. Anthony, my youngest, who is autism, ADHD, he would line things up and always be in crazy costumes, and he tiptoed around, and all the signs were there, and he didn't talk forever. And
you need to go to the emergency room. And I'm like, okay, I'll go later. It was like the day before Valentine's Day. I'm like, I have to still go get favors for the kids. I have this and that to do. She left out the room. She came back in, and she just grabbed my coat and my purse, and she was just like, the EMT is on the way, because she knew I wasn't gonna go. I had a blood clot in my lung, and I would have never went to the hospital for that.
I'm grateful that they also have the same outlook on mental health as I do, that as our bodies get sick, and so do our minds sometimes, and we need help, and it's okay to ask for help. It's helped me to remember, hey, I have tools that I can use, and I don't have to feel as alone or unequipped.
First week of school, Anthony drew a self-portrait. And in this portrait, you could see his eyes are small and dark, and, his mouth is small, and the shirt is black, and little hair, and very little, what's the word I'm looking for? Heart put into it.
But she saved my life, I don't want to be there for my kids. I'll always be forever grateful for her for that. And just, just caring enough, to go the extra mile for me. I appreciate that.
So I was just crowned as Miss Pennsylvania, and my platform is actually mental health awareness. I'm so excited to come back and show Michelle my crown and celebrate with all the behavioral health staff. Without the tools that we have continuously worked on, I know that my mindset would not have been in the right place to compete. I'm very emotional.
Behavioral health has been huge for us. We're in therapy every week. We come every week and see Miss Michelle. At first, he received the Hero Award in the same day. So that was like, wow. And then after I was going further in the book bag, I pulled out the journal. On the last day of school, he drew a second grade self-portrait again. And this time it was so much more beautiful. I mean, he had a huge smile and big eyes and bright blue glasses, and there was color in the drawing, and his shirt was a bright orange, and he had a baseball because now he's playing baseball. That is huge that they want to pull him from special ed and challenge him to regular classes. Makes me want to even do better just to see more results in them.
I'm very thankful.
It's a beautiful thing, definitely.
And it gives me hope that we can do this.
Thank you to everyone at Northside Christian for keeping me in your care, literally from birth. I'm a forever patient.
It just makes us proud to know that such a place exists that is welcoming to any and everyone.
My name is Erin.
I'm Bill.
My name is Nicole.
I am Yasmin.
I'm Monica, and my family and I.
And I'm proud to be a patient.
And I'm proud to be a patient.
I'm proud to be a patient.
Say it with me. We love Northside.
I am proud to be a patient
Of the Northside Christian.
Northside Christian.
Christian Health Center.
Christian Health Center.
Good.
Of the Northside Christian Health Center.
I did the whole entire thing. Oh, perfect.